During August 2021, PlayStation 5 restocks have been not very many. The control center was momentarily accessible on Target and PlayStation Direct on September 10, 2021, yet the stock drained rapidly, selling out not long after being accessible. Already, Amazon additionally restocked PS5 on September 2, 2021. While retailers, for example, Line, Walmart, and GameStop have had restocks last month, Best Buy has been out of control for a long while. Continue to Paris for a PS5 restock update. PlayStation 5 is one of the most famous gaming consoles at any point fabricated. While that by itself is hoarding the control center costs in the dark market, the continuous chip lack influences electronic things being sold around the world. Furthermore, affiliates are utilizing programming calculations or bots to buy enormous amounts of PS5 as and when they are restocked at famous retailers like Walmart, GameStop, Best Buy, and Amazon. Walmart is reputed to restock PS5 at some point this week. While gathering this report, the PS5 gaming console was unavailable on the authority site of Walmart. In any case, some nearby entrances have asserted that there may be a PS5 stock at certain Walmart stores accessible for clients through a stroll-in. That being said, a Walmart stock is reputed for this present week, between September 23 and September 26. As indicated by comicbook.com, a PS5 GameStop restock occurred on September 22, 2021. Other than that, GameStop has been steady in concocting PS5 restocks each week. Nonetheless, the stock is insignificant when contrasted with the interest for the PS5 gaming console in 2021. During the hour of recording this report, both the advanced and played release of the PS5 were sold out on the authority site of GameStop. As per bits of hearsay, Best Buy will get a significant restock in the forthcoming days. Further, the restock will be greater than those previously. In case that will be valid, it additionally clarifies why the retailer hushed up for quite a while, as the last PS5 Best Buy restock occurred during August. The stock may be accessible between September 23 and September 26. The data comes from a spilled email that surfaced online a couple of days prior. As indicated by the email, Best Buy will restock both PS5 Circle and computerized version gaming consoles either today or inside a couple of days.